Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 22nd to March 8th. This is what we're forecasting the pattern. Look like we have a ridge here over the eastern Pacific, south of the Aleutians, and we have a ridge over the Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean region with above normal heights, southwest flow in the east. Now, this trough in the west will send energy eastward in this zone of flow. This will continue to be our forecast, and then we'll get a change later on, as I talked about yesterday, with the storm track trending more to the south, being suppressed, and we can get development in the Gulf or along the East Coast. And I'll show you that. Okay, with these systems moving eastward, you can see one system here organizing in the plains. You can see right here, whoops. And this will bring a threat of heavy rain and possible flooding across parts of Lower Mississippi Valley, Tennessee Valley to the Mid Atlantic much of next week. And here's a system here, starts to lift, and then we go to Friday. It has snow over the Mid-Atlantic and the North, even to the I-95 corridor. And then it moves quickly out in this fast flow, followed by a ridge. Now, cold air will sink into the plains, cause heavy snow from the northern plains, upper Midwest to New England. And then we have the next system moving here. Whoops, we kind of went too fast. Okay, another system here for Sunday, and that kind of scoots out to see bringing snow to the lower mid-Atlantic, so forth. That's just the part of the track being suppressed for the south. There is a potential, well, we talked about that already, for a snowstorm across the Midwest to New England. And that'll be Wednesday into Saturday, because we're here Friday, Saturday. That's just what we're talking about there. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for February 27th to March 3rd. And we have this western ridge, the western trough slides eastward as this ridge builds into the east, as this ridge builds into the west, as this ridge over the western Atlantic slides further to the east. With that said, I'm calling for this forecast period a large area below normal temperatures across this region, and I'm calling for anomalies to be 4 to 8 degrees above normal, the highest anomalies here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%, and we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now, going back to this period, to the beginning of the period, this is 22nd to 26th, this is evident of a positive PNA. This is causes the storm track to be west to east. Now, as we get into this period to the 4th, we have a trough moves eastward, ridge pushes to the south, and we can get development anywhere from the Gulf Coast to off the Mid-Atlantic region. Okay, we're going to look at the period now from March 4th to the 8th. And we have almost a zone of flow across much of the country, but as you can see here, like the GFS has more of a zone of flow, where the other ones have more of a dip here in the east. That's as the European ensembles does, and to some extent also the NEFS. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 48 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures remain across here, and anomalies of 46 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, remaining to continue to call for below normal precipitation for the west, Probability of occurrence of 35 to 40%, and we have above normal precipitation here, mainly east of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence of 35 to 40%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 22nd to March 8th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.